Hi, welcome back to Flip and Fletcher's DIY-FYI channel. Glad to have you here. If you're new here, we do little DIY-FYI videos to help you out, save you money. We have a large pond in the backyard with a waterfall and a stream, and hopefully you've seen the video if you've been here before. If not, check it out. I'll put a link to it below. This is our backyard pond. So, the pond pump quit working here about a week or two ago, and it's just been sitting here in my garage. And I have two of them, and the reason being is because the original one, which this one is, I bought in 2004. This is now 2024, as you probably know. And it just quit working again. So what I did is popped in the other one, because I bought a new one several years ago when this one went out the first time, because I didn't think you could repair them. Well, after I bought it and had it in there, it was sitting in my garage, and I got to talking to a buddy of mine about the pump going out and stuff, and I says, those things are expensive. It was about $700 to buy a new one for what we need, because we have 5,000 gallons per hour is what it pumps with a 2-inch line. He says there's a place in Kalamazoo, which is a city near us, that Kalamazoo Kalamazoo motor repair, electric motor repair. I'll get it right. Got it. And he said they'll repair it for you. So I took it in, and I thought, man, I hope they can, because then I'll have a backup, because I couldn't return the other one. I've been using it for quite some time. So I decided to tear this thing apart like they told me. They were very helpful. What caused it to quit running the last time is they took off the bottom inlet parts, which I'm going to do here, and there was a pine cone stuck in there, keeping the propeller from spinning. And they called me and told me that, and they says, hey, this pump's got a little age to it. You might want to, since we got it apart, put some new seals in it and whatever you got to do to overhaul it. And I says, yeah, go ahead and do it since you got it, and let's have it done. I think it cost me about $125 is all, and that's a heck of a lot better than buying another pump. But, so what we do, he said, just take this bottom plate off. Got a few screws here. Pop this off. Take off this plate. Oh, and look at that. A pine cone. Well, that just saved me $125 or so to have them do it again. And hopefully it'll run now, because I don't want to buy another pump, which I wouldn't really have to because I have the spare. But I liked having two. And I'd use one season here in Michigan. I'd use the other one the next season. I've alternated them to prolong both of their lives. So, since I found the pine cone, I'm going to plug this thing in and see if it'll run now. Check it out. That is nice. It's just fun doing it yourself. You learn and you save money. That's the key. So, we'll get this thing back together here and make sure that it still runs. It's pretty simple. I'm not sure how all the pumps come apart and stuff, but I gotta think they have kind of the same setup as this one does, because you gotta have an inlet and a screen. And how in the world that pine cone got in there, but there is a hole obviously inside here that goes into that propeller, and somehow it worked into there over time, I assume, and it keeps the propeller from spinning. And you gotta have that. We're going to spin this in here, and I'm going to start it again and make sure it still runs. Cross your fingers. Let's see what we got here. Still runs. That is awesome. I love it. Well, hey. Thanks again for stopping by. Check out our Fletch Flips channel. It's the other YouTube channel we have, where we go to estate sales, garage sales, and thrift stores looking for things that we can flip on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for a profit. It creates quite a steady income. Last year, our 1099 from eBay, if I remember correctly, was like $68,000 or something. After expenses and everything, it was a pretty nice net profit. We're retired now, and just like having things to do, and we love going out picking, looking for things to buy to make a profit. So check out Fletch Flips YouTube channel. And thank you for visiting Flippin' Fletch's DIY-FYI channel. Really glad that you stopped by. Live a crazy good day.